Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on discounts. At different times of the year, many shop owners offer discounts in order to remove excess stocks from their shelves. The discount is expressed as a percentage of the marked price. The selling price is then found by subtracting the discount from the marked price. Let's look at some examples. For each of the following items, find the value of the discount and the final selling price. So here we have a dress and it says that it's 50% off. Now the marked price is $80. So the first thing we're going to do is find out what the discount is. So 50% of $80 is 50 over 100 times 80 over 1. Now 50 over 100 is a half, so it's a half times 80, or half of 80. That's 80 over 2, and that's $40. So basically the discount, that's what we've just worked out, is $40. So the final selling price will be $80 minus $40. Now, there are many reasons why stores can offer discounts. For example, let's take just this dress here. If that was a summer dress, for example, that you wear in summer, and summer was coming to an end and winter was arriving, that means the stores want to get rid of all their summer stock, and that's why, or that's one example where they could give a discount. Let's look at this one. So we have a jacket. The marked price is $90 and the discount is 30%. Okay? 30%. So that little arrow means 30% down. 30% discount. So let's look at the discount. 30% of $90, 30 over 100 times 90 over 1. That's simplified to 3 over 10 by 90 over 1. 270 over 10 is $27. So the discount is $27. The final selling price will be $90 minus $27, and that's $63. Now here, that looks like, it could be a winter jacket perhaps. If it is a winter jacket, maybe winter's coming to an end and the store wants to get rid of all the winter stock, and that could be why they give a discount. Next example, we have a pair of shoes. The marked price is $120 and we have 45% off. So let's work out the discount. The discount will be 45% of 120. 45 over 100 times 120 over 1. Simplify that to 9 over 20. 9 times 120 is 1,080 divided by 20. So that basically gives you 108 over 2, and that's $54. So the discount is $54. So the final selling price will be the marked price minus the discount, and that will be $66. So this video has presented just a few slides where we've seen how to calculate the discount, and that's a percentage off the marked price. And once we found the discount, we saw how we could find the final selling price.